Hi everyone, today let's practice drawing cafe tables and chairs. I don't know about you, but I dread drawing chairs and a lot of other street furniture to be honest. But they exist, and although I've been trying my best to avoid them, I need to learn how to draw them at some point. Briefly, if you're new to my channel, it's basically an online video sketchbook to keep me accountable in developing my skill as an urban and daily life journal sketcher. I've been drawing on and off for years, but I'm about 8-ish months in on urban sketching. So with that said, let's practice drawing cafe tables and chairs today. I've created a collection of photos on pexels.com, and the link will be in the description for you to download the photos for free. I'll be drawing 4 examples today, but we'll definitely be practicing what's in my collection. As I draw these tables and chairs, I'm not going to be concerned with the perspective and proportions today. I for sure will try, but mainly I just want to understand the structure of each chair and work my brain into memorizing the typical shapes of these objects so that when I do go out on location or use a reference photo, I'll be able to automatically draw what I see or at least a similar version of it. When I start inking, I will try to use a continuous line. I won't be rigid about it, but I do like how loose my drawings are when I do use a continuous line. Okay, so let's practice, and I will see you guys on the other side. Okay, I'm just about finished, and it looks so naked without a building or restaurant in the scene. But what's really good about having no background noise is you can really pick away at the mistakes that were made, whether it's in the design, perspective, or proportions. Then you can practice more until it's correct. So hopefully you all got started on a table and chair page in your sketchbook. Now it's time to do this 10 more times or until you nail it. I think I'll give myself 20 more times. All right, until the next video, stay positive, stay creative, and be kind.